A very good morning, my dear students. I welcome back you all to the English online classes. This is Miss Emma Parna, your English teacher. Today, I am going to teach you naming words, that is nouns, in the English grammar. So let's start the class. Naming words or nouns. Everything in the world has a name. All names or naming words are nouns. Children, everything around us has a particular name, such as people, places, animals, and things. All these naming words are known as nouns. Okay? We see many people around us whom we identify with certain names. Okay? So, names help us to identify people, places, animals, or things. We see many people and we identify with certain names. For example, mother, teacher, and doctor. Okay? So, noun can be a name given to the person. Children, name a few animals you have seen. Cow, cat, dog, elephant, anything. Okay? The names of animals are also known as nouns. Okay? So, noun can be a name given to an animal also. Okay? Now children, tell me, where do you go to study? You go to school to study. So, school is the naming word for a place. Yes or no? We visit many places around us. For example, home, park, beach, and zoo. Okay? So, a noun can be a name given to a place. Okay? Now come to the next picture. Children, we see many things around us. Suppose we can see a car, a clock, a bag, and book. Yes or no? So, what are these things called? All these things are also called as nouns. So, a noun can also be a name given to a thing. You can see in the picture there is a car, bag, clock, and book. All these things are known as naming words or noun. Okay? So what we have learned, children? We have learned that everything around us has a particular name. Okay, it may be a name of a people, places, animals, things. All the naming words are known as nouns. Okay, so now let us start our new lesson, that is naming words, nouns in the English grammar book. Lesson number 3, naming words, nouns. Everything has a name. What are the names of these things? You will find the names in the help box. Children, as you can see, some pictures are given over here. Okay, and one help box is also given here. You can see here. So you have to identify the correct naming word or the noun and write it down below the picture. Okay, so what is the first picture over here? It is a picture of a lion. Yes or no? Lion. So you can see it is Lion, lion. Okay, in the same way the second picture is a rose. Yes or no? Rose. Okay, in this way you have to complete the remaining pictures. Okay, now come to the next question. Question number B, who am I? Children, here sentences related to people who do different types of works are given. You have to select the correct naming word of the people from the help box given beside the question. Okay, and write the correct option in the blanks given against the questions. So let's start. The first question is, I carry your luggage. I carry your luggage. So children, what we call the person who carry the luggage? We call him a porter. We call him as a porter. 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 Okay. So you have to write porter in the first question. Now come to the second question. I sew your clothes. Sew means stitch. Okay. I sew your clothes. Children, what we call the person who stitches the clothes? We call him as tailor. 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 So you have to write tailor in the second question. Now come to question number 3. I catch thieves. Thieves means chore. Okay children. So I catch thieves. Children, tell me what we call the person who catch the thieves. A policeman. 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 So you have to write policeman in the third question. Now come to question number 4. I cut your hair. Children, what we call the person who cut our hair? A barber. So you have to write barber, barber in question number 4. Now come to question number 5. I grow crops for you. Children, who grow crops for us? A farmer. So you have to write farmer, farmer in question number 5. Okay. Now come to question number 6. I fly an aeroplane. I fly an aeroplane. So children, what we call the person who flies the aeroplane? A pilot. 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 Now come to question number 7. I mend your shoes. Children, what we call the person who mend our shoes? Mend means repair. A cobbler. So you have to write cobbler in question number 7. Now come to question number 8. I treat sick people. Children, what we call the person who treat us or when we fall sick? A doctor. So you have to write doctor in question number 8. Now come to question number 9. I bring you letters. A postman. Okay. Now come to question number 10. I repair your taps. What we call the person who repair the taps? A plumber. So you have to write plumber in question number 10. Okay. So children, here we end our class. Okay. We will meet in the next class. Till then, take care. Thank you.